Can make the speak fast to your laptop and computer within 5 minutes. So we have to press window key with R. First of all, we have to put percentage sign with temp, percentage sign, then temp, 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 then percentage sign. Press the enter, then press Ctrl A and delete key. It's taking time. After that, again you have to press window key with R, then you have to write temp, Control A and delete. Okay, then we have to do this. Okay friend, after this what you have to do, you have to again press, then you have to use RECNT. I put on the notepad because of you. This is already finished. If you having here, you can delete from here as well. I already finished from here. Again you have to press window R, then you have to press PREFETH prefix, then you have to click on continue, then press Ctrl A and delete. Okay friend, after that what you have to do, we have done these things. Control window press R, on this we have discussed. Now we are going to disk. So we are not going to open. Go to properties and look at here, disk cleanup. So it can take the time. Okay, we have to check more, delete files. So this is cleanup now, you can see. Okay, and as we can do the drive C cleanup, there is free MB, 65 MB is free. Let's see, it will give the, take some example. 65 is free. Let's see how many MBs we will get more. So this is a C drive, it can take time. Just you have to use these things with window plus R. Okay friends, you have to these things with window plus R. It is taking time. Because friend, it's a C drive, so it can take time. This cleanup is calculating how much space you will be able to free on C. This is make take few minutes complete. It will take few minutes for complete this. So friend, it's being deleting, so you try with your you can try with your laptop as well. So I have done this temporary file in these things. You have to click here, and you can do one thing. Check to all. Okay, delete files. Okay, let's take clean up device. Continue. Cleaning, it's going to recycle bin, setup up, and everything is going on. Temporary files, thumbnails, and whatever else is going. So these are going to end up. Let's see how many MBs then we will have. Okay, let's again come to properties, and we